Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Medicare Part A. Most individuals become eligible for premium-free Part A when they turn 65, especially if they've worked and paid Medicare taxes for at least 10 years. You're often automatically enrolled if you're already receiving Social Security or Railroad Retirement Board benefits. However, if you're not receiving these benefits, or if you have certain disabilities or end-stage renal disease, you might need to take action to enroll. It's crucial to apply during your initial enrollment period, which is a 7-month window around your 65th birthday. This period begins 3 months before your birthday month, includes your birthday month, and extends 3 months after. You can easily apply online through the Social Security Administration website, by calling them, or by visiting a local Social Security office. Remember to gather important documents like your birth certificate and proof of U.S. citizenship before you begin. After submitting your application, you can expect to receive a decision letter from the Social Security Administration within a few weeks. If approved, your official red, white, and blue Medicare card will then arrive separately in the mail. It's important to review your new card carefully for any inaccuracies and keep it in a safe, accessible place. This card is essential for accessing your healthcare benefits. Remember, most people don't pay a monthly premium for Part A, but delaying enrollment without other creditable coverage can lead to late enrollment penalties. It's crucial to understand your options to avoid unexpected costs. Also, if you're looking to simplify your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Taking these steps ensures you maximize your Medicare benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.